Okay, so in this video we're going to go over the forward bay park. So when we're ready, we're going to take off, doing our 6-point check before we come out of the bay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to come out and we're going to line up with the white lines on the opposite side. So we're going to try and use all of the space available to us on the other side of the car park. Okay, so when we're ready, we're going to take off. We can take a nice wide line, and we're going to try to line up with the lines on the right hand side. That's it, so we're nicely lined up. Okay, and you can see if you look in that mirror there, you can see we're perfectly aligned. Okay, so now we're going to go for one of those bays on the left hand side over there. So I'll just do my quick check. That's it. Okay, so we'll move along and we're going to get one of the lines to line up halfway on that door. So we're going to go for this next one coming up now. So about halfway, there we go. Okay, and again roughly in line with that little halfway bit on the door there. Okay, so another 6-point check, and then we're going to move very slowly, and then we're going to turn very quickly to full lock. Right, so now we're going to come in nice and gradually, and then when we look like we're almost parallel, which we can see here, you can see we're starting to line up with those lines over there. We're nearly parallel. We're going to straighten the wheel 1.5 times back, and then when in this particular example, the curb, the pavement appears just under the mirror there, then we can stop and we know we're good. Okay, and let's have a look and see how we've done. Looks pretty good. Yep, that's it. We're in. And we're nice and straight, and we're nice and parallel, dead centered to the bay. So again, the key, same as with the reverse, get your points right, make sure you keep the speed very slow, turn the wheel very quickly, and don't forget your observation, which is super important as well. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you again in the next